Hi guys, today we have another AI tutorial for you. If you are someone who struggles a lot in creating a presentation, today is your lucky day, because I might just be able to help you with that. So to start, open your browser and type Tome.app, and once you are in the page, I want you to click sign in and create your own account. So we have three ways to do it. You can either sign in with your Google account, with your Apple account, or you can just do it manually here. So in our case, we're going to sign in with Google and then type the credentials. So after that, they're going to ask you to create your own profile. So I'm just going to change my name. And then what is your role? I am going to say educator and then next. And then they'll also going to ask you for your workspace name. So I'm just going to type that and then continue to workspace. Okay. So I'm going to click basic. Okay, there you have it. So now we are here. And then let's try to create a new one. We are going to create a new by simply clicking create. And then you can then type what would you like to do. So we're going to type a title. So create a presentation on how to earn in real estate. And then it will generate an outline. So let's just be patient and wait for a moment. So there you have it. Then let's hit continue. So generating pages. And now we were able to create this amazing presentation simply by just typing few words. How amazing is that? So what we are going to do is we are going to check each one of them. Okay, this is the outline. So we have the introduction, research the market, financing options, property management, tax implications, and then conclusions. So now that we are here, we can also change the background for this in order to turn it a little bit lighter. So click this one and then drag down tone theme. So I'm going to click light, or I can click cream. Okay, there you go. Or you can also choose anything that you see fit for your presentation. So in my case, I'm just going to keep it light. And then let us try to proceed with the next page. Okay, here you go. This is a third page, and this is the introduction. Now you want to make sure that everything here that is written by the AI is appropriate. So say, for example, you notice that there is a mistake. You think that might be a mistake, or you think that it might not be important. What you are going to do is you're just going to click it. So click it like this, and then you can just basically click all and then remove it. Easy as that. I'm going to undo it. Say, for example, I want to add something. So I can just basically use my keyboard and type something. Basically anything that you want to type right here. You can do that. And another thing, you can, if say, for example, you want to highlight something, basically you can just click that word and then you can click bold in order to highlight that word. You can also change the color. So you have color black. There you go. And you have other tools to choose from here, such as changing the font, color. We have here bullet numbers and others. And you can just ask the AI to rewrite this one. So let's try to do this one. Okay, let's just say this sentence. I want AI to rewrite this. So I'm going to click that one and then click rewrite. There you go. AI has managed to rewrite that one. And then the next thing you want to do is, again, do the same thing. You want to make sure that everything here is exactly as you want it to be. So now that you're done there, and then you notice that there's still something that you can add, you can basically click here, and you can add another slide. So you're just going to click this one and then Say, for example, the thing that I'm going to need is, yes, something like this. Okay, so I'm going to click that one. Okay, so you can upload pictures here, or you can ask AI to create. So say, for example, I'm going to choose here condominium, apartment, building complex, and then I'm going to ask AI to generate. So you have here 4 generated images to choose from. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. And the same thing, I'm going to resize it. I'm going to double click it. Okay, and this one as well. You can also just basically do that and then done. And then another one, I'm going to create house, countryside, province, mountain, something like that. And then hit enter to generate a new house. There you go. And then we're going to choose this one. Okay. So once you are done, you can then go to the first slide, and then you can start presenting this in the class or wherever you are. So I'm going to hit that one, and then slide number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there you go.